Thinking about using Squarespace for your dropshipping store? Before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know to make sure it's the right choice for your business. First off, Squarespace is known for its user-friendly design and stunning templates. However, while it's great for building visually appealing websites, it may not be as powerful for dropshipping as competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce. If you're looking for something with more extensive dropshipping features out of the box, you might want to keep looking. Next thing to consider is its pricing. Squarespace offers different pricing tiers, but to access e-commerce features, you'll need at least the business plan. And even then, you might find that Shopify, with its basic plan, offers more dropshipping tools and integrations right from the start. The third thing is its inventory management system. Squarespace inventory management can be a bit limited compared to other platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. It's basic, and if you're handling large volumes of products, you might find yourself wishing for more advanced tools that others provide. Next up, integrations. Squarespace does support some dropshipping apps, but the selection is nowhere near as vast as Shopify's or BigCommerce. You'll be working with fewer options when it comes to connecting with third-party tools, so if you have specific needs, like advanced order management, you may be better off elsewhere. The fifth thing to keep in mind is SEO. While Squarespace offers SEO tools, they're fairly basic. If SEO is a major part of your dropshipping strategy, platforms like Shopify have more powerful, integrated SEO capabilities and apps to help you optimize your site for search engines more effectively. The sixth thing is payment processing. Squarespace supports PayPal and Stripe, but it doesn't offer as many options as Shopify. For dropshipping businesses looking to scale globally, Shopify's wider range of payment gateways could be a major advantage. Seventh, dropshipping is all about automation, and Squarespace automation features aren't as strong as other platforms. Shopify, for example, has many apps designed to automate your order processing and customer notifications. Squarespace does offer some, but they're more limited in scope. The eighth thing you should know is that Squarespace doesn't have a built-in marketplace for products like Shopify's Oberlo or BigCommerce integrations with suppliers. This means you'll need to find and connect to dropshipping suppliers yourself, which can be a bit more work up front. Next thing is customer support. Squarespace offers 24/7 customer support, but compared to Shopify's robust resources, dedicated dropshipping experts, and extensive community, you may find yourself feeling a bit stranded if you need specific dropshipping help. The 10th thing is that Squarespace doesn't allow unlimited staff accounts on lower pricing plans. If you plan to build a large team to handle your dropshipping store, this might limit you unless you upgrade your plan, adding to your monthly cost. The 11th thing is mobile app functionality. Squarespace does have a mobile app for managing your store, but it's not as polished or feature-rich as Shopify's app. If you need to manage your store on the go, Shopify's app provides more flexibility. And lastly, the design experience. If you value beautiful, custom designs for your dropshipping website, Squarespace is hard to beat. However, if you need something optimized for e-commerce performance with features like upselling, cross-selling, and advanced analytics, Shopify's e-commerce specific themes and integrations are more powerful. So, Squarespace is a solid option if you're looking for an aesthetically pleasing website and you don't need the most powerful dropshipping features. But if you want a platform built specifically for dropshipping, one with better integrations, payment gateways, and automation, you should check out our recommended solution. The best part is you can try it for free.